Wow, Charlotte is walking through an absolute buzzsaw at Nikki Bella. She had a problem with that shoulder, and Nikki Bella has stayed on target.
That's what happened before the commercial break. Nikki Bella, ladies and gentlemen, has made history. 295 nights ago in Survivor Series 2014, Nikki Bella won the Divas Championship. Ironically, by that night, she took the championship from the woman she's tied for now, as longest reigning Divas champ ever. That's AJ Lee. Nikki wins tonight. She'll become the longest reigning Divas champ in history. And she may be well on her way to doing that.
Charlotte knows she can't let go of that grass. She gets to call that arm bar.
Nikki had her shoulder down momentarily as she applied the pressure. Question is we're going to learn a lot about Charlotte tonight. The resilience and the guts and the heart of this young lady. Will she tap out? Will she continue to fight on?
Think about Charlotte winning that title with her father right here tonight in attendance in Memphis.
Oh, look at Charlotte.
Wait a minute.
Charlotte trying to power
Look
out.
at this.
Nikki Bella cannot believe Charlotte. One arm. And Charlotte fights out. Creates some separation. Is this the turning point for Charlotte? Can she rally?
So remember, Nikki Bella made this personal. She said it multiple times, Charlotte, you belong back in NXT. You're not good enough to be here.
All the titles Nature Boy has won. He's probably most nervous, I'm sure, right now, watching his daughter wrestle for this Divas Championship.
And here comes Charlotte with right. And there's a shot. And Charlotte driving Nikki back to the ropes. And here comes the #1 contender. Big blow by Charlotte.
Back connected.
Charlotte for the championship. Nikki kicks out near fall.
That shoulder is hurting Charlotte.
This is where you
That's
see
going to
the
hurt
result.
her as she tries to go for that figure eight if she ever gets Nikki into it.
Yeah, because of the bridge, right, John? The way she has to bridge with that move.
Brilliant by Charlotte.
Look at Nikki
Look at Nikki.
And Nikki fight back as well. Uh-oh, Charlotte, though, dips underneath. Oh! Is it enough? Oh, nice drop kick by Nikki. Right to the injured arm.
And Charlotte was about to go for that spear, and Nikki cut her off.
Nikki showing you one of the reasons she's been a good champion. I know a lot of bad face first. That could be it. To put Charlotte away, we're going to get a kick out. Been a lot of critics of Nikki Bella being as Divas champion, but she's proven here tonight that she deserves it.
And Nikki had the wherewithal when Charlotte was going to that spear to hear that drop kick and get the drop kick on the left shoulder that's hurt. Nikki has got a perfect game plan right now. She's got a bullseye.
Looking for the Alabama Slam, I believe, John, but Charlotte's hanging on.
Charlotte's doing everything she can to counter.
And using those long arms to her advantage, using the good arm to her advantage as well, the right one. Spear!
Yeah!
She got it. Is it enough?
Oh!
Alicia Fox! A team. Wait! Now she saw a switch in the lane.
Wait a minute!
That's Brie Bella. Charlotte's pinned free. Twin magic. But it didn't matter.
Oh my God!
It didn't matter. The celebration.
Oh my God!
Charlotte has won the Divas Championship. Charlotte has made history.
I can't believe it.
Neither can Ric Flair. The Nature Boy. And her emotional father, the Nature Boy, Ric Flair. Charlotte's won the Divas title.
Daughter World Champions.
Charlotte has thwarted Team Bella. The Bellas were beside themselves.
Charlotte, Rick, I'm so sorry. I'm out here because I have to uphold the integrity of the Divas division, and you can't win the championship by pinning someone who wasn't even in the match, Brie Bella. Now, technically, the second that Brie put her hands on you, Charlotte, she should have been disqualified. Therefore, the winner of this match is Charlotte. But in any championship match, the title cannot change hands unless it is by pinfall or submission. Therefore, still, your WWE Diva...
Oh, come on!
Nikki Bella.
Come on! That's fucking stupid!
Ladies and gentlemen, had to be painful, but Stephanie McMahon making the right decision tonight.
That's stupid!
But is still the Divas champion. What this means, guys, is that Nikki Bella will set the record as the longest reigning Divas champion in history, and the celebration's begun.
Before you get carried away with your celebration here, Charlotte was victorious. Therefore, she will have her rematch for the Divas Championship this Sunday.
Yeah!
Night of Champions.
Woo!
Should you lose for any reason, be it pinfall, submission, count out, or disqualification, you will lose your Divas Championship.
Oh!
Charlotte will be the new WWE Divas Champion.
Well, somewhat of a silver lining for Charlotte, but nonetheless, guys, the celebration is underway. Nikki Bella is the longest reigning Divas champion in history. At midnight, she will eclipse AJ Lee's mark of 295 days.
She's still Divas champion. We knew history be made. History was made. The Bella Tribe keeps going, keeps ticking.
I don't like how it happened, but for Charlotte, it's a second chance to achieve her dream this Sunday Night of Champions.
Twin Magic should not come into play on Sunday because Nikki Bella will lose her championship via pinfall, submission, countout, or disqualification.
It's okay if she gets the rematch on Sunday!
At Night of Champions at the Toyota Center in Houston.